All right, here we go with 22 Mosaic No Huddle PYT number 9. This is Mosaic Football No Huddle PYT number 9. And guess a player on the auto in this for 20 in credit. We're going to have 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. Guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit, guys. Up next after this will be the Prism Hobby Box. We just did the Prism No Huddle if you're just joining us. Did that out of order. Onto the Mosaic No Huddle right now. Good luck, everybody, in this one. I'll do my best to try to say that auto to the end, but get your guesses in as quick as you can, just in case I reveal that auto early. One of these packs here or something. There's Chris Jones, Roger Staubach, Rashad Bateman, Drew Brees, Austin Eckler, Fletcher Cox, Joe Burrow, National Pride. We got Barry Sanders, Greg Dulcich, rookie, John Mechie, rookie John Mechie for Houston, Minna Mastery, Peyton Manning for the Colts. Then we got a blue Hassan Haskins no huddle parallel. That is going to Tennessee. That will be numbered a 75, 30 out of 75. Get a reporter card. Next pack. And gets the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to throw a guess out there. So if you're just watching, throw a name out there, and if you guess correctly, you can get 20 in credit to use in our breaks or our store for any packs or boxes. There's Jair Alexander, DJ Moore, Darius Leonard, Mike Evans, Marquez Callaway, Jonathan Allen for the Commanders, Tom Brady, Super Bowl MVPs, James Conner, Jermaine Johnson, the second rookie for the Jets, Trey McBride, rookie for Arizona. Then we have the John Mechie rookie. That is the variation. That's the rookie variation. You'll see the V up top there. John Mechie for Houston. And then we have our Harrison Smith no huddle parallel as well. Our next pack. Trey Hendrickson, Cincinnati. There is a link floating in the chat there for our 2-box Prism Baseball first off the line. That is one of our bounty breaks off the website. DeAndre Hopkins, Jerry Jeudy. We will schedule that once it gets full or under 10 spots. Jalen Hurts, Eric Dickerson, Tyler Lockett, Trayvon Walker NFL debut, Tony Romo, Josh Pascal for the Lions, Kyle Phillips for Tennessee, introduction to Treylon Burks, and we got a Mosaic Max Crosby for the Raiders. Get reporter card. We have Michael Pittman Jr., Jamar Chase, check make sure Otto wasn't in this box. Nicole Harbin, Dalvin Cook, Chris Godwin, Marshawn Lattimore, Jonathan Taylor, National Pride, Terry Bradshaw, Matt Corral, rookie. We got Daniel Bellinger, rookie for the Giants. Silver Mike Ditka, that is going to the Bears. And a no huddle parallel rookie, Zamir White for the Raiders. There's Trayvon Diggs, J.K. Dobbins, A.J. Dillon, Justin Herbert, Cooper Kupp, Joe Green, Chris Olave, NFL debut, Warren Sapp, Justin Fields, National Pride, Aiden Hutchinson, rookie, George Karafalitis, rookie. Then we got a purple Charlie Kohler, report a card behind that. Going to Baltimore, that is out of 59 out of 50. Grab your spots in the Prism Hobby Box break coming up next. That is Prism PYT number 2. Is our Prism Hobby Box break coming up next. Christian McCaffrey, Quentin Nelson, Tyler Boyd, Dan Marino, Leonard Fournette, Alvin Kamara, Brian Burns, Joe Montana, Harold Landry, Malcolm Rodriguez, Jelani Woods, and Jerry Jeudy, no huddle parallel. And if you guys are just joining us and you're waiting around for the Prism no huddle break, that actually was break number 2. So you can just rewind or go back on the stream. It was the second break of the night. Kyler Murray accidentally opened that one over this one. Kyle Pitts, TJ Hawkinson, Terry McLaurin, Keyshawn Johnson, Jalen Ramsey, Malik Willis, NFL debut, Lawrence Taylor, Jameson Williams, rookie, Kaiir Elam, Montage Dalvin Cook, and then we got a blue, and that is Laviska Shenault for the Jags. Good reporter card. Blue out of 75, 23 out of 75. There's Joe Thomas, Young Ho Koo, Amon-Ra St. Brown, DK Metcalf, Kirk Cousins, Zach Wilson, Jamar Chase. A National Pride, there's Jeffrey Simmons, Wan'Dale Robinson, David Ajabo, and our silver is Elijah Moore for the Jets, and a no huddle parallel of Trent Williams. We'll get a few of these top loaded here. You guys still have time to guess the player on the last auto. Make sure you do not guess a name that's already been guessed in the chat. But you do not have to be in this break to make a guess. So if you're watching, you want to try to earn 20 in credit, throw out a name in here that could be on that last auto. If it is, you earn 20 in credit to use in our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications so you know when we go live. We do have an updated schedule through Monday. There is a link that'll be popping up in the chat. If you guys are unfamiliar with our schedule, make sure you bookmark that page so you can keep track of all the breaks, and you'll know when your breaks are. I mean, we do send out messages typically the day before your break, sometimes a little earlier. But if you want to be up to date as quickly as possible, that Google Sheets with the schedule on there is your best bet. Sometimes if I got like 4 or 5 scheduled for a break night, I'll post them up there before we get the full schedule done. We got 4 packs left. Up next is our Prism Hobby Box. Again, guys, if there's any spots left in that break, there were some before we started this one. Grab them now. There's Jim Kelly, Jordan Poyer, Matt Ryan, Cam Akers, TJ Watt, Xavier Howard, James Cook, Rashad White, Desmond Ritter, rookie for Atlanta. Ooh, there's our auto. Flashed it, so we'll just reveal it now. Good luck to everybody got their guesses in. It is a Miles Sanders for the Philadelphia Eagles. Miles Sanders on our no huddle autograph. That was the guess for the break. Miles Sanders, no huddle. For the runner-up Eagles. Brett Favre, Stairmasters, Lamar Jackson, National Pride Mosaic. Kid Reporter card. There's Joe Burrow, Juju Smith-Schuster, CeeDee Lamb, Tom Brady, Taysom Hill, Antonio Gibson, Jameis Winston. These all have kind of like Denson cards there. Ooh, this one's real bad. National Pride of Lamar Jackson, Cade Otton, Sky Moore, Montage no huddle parallel of Matthew Stafford, and then we got a Brad Johnson no huddle behind that one. Going to Tampa. 2 packs left. We have Michael Vick, Anquan Bolden, Jared Goff, Quinnen Williams, Aaron Donald, Drew Lock, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, another one of those. A lot of these have some surface issues on them. This Tom Brady's another one. Joe Namath, Calvin Austin III, Cade York. We have a purple DJ Moore. This is for Carolina. Surface of that one looks okay. That is out of 50, 49 out of 50 on the DJ Moore. And our last pack out of this Mosaic No Huddle PYT number 9. There's Aaron Rodgers, Marvin Jones Jr., Myles Garrett, Robert Woods, Eli Manning, Matthew Stafford, Jahan Dotson, another one of those. A lot of these issues there. Bonito, Mari Torre, Treylon Burks. Then we have a silver rookie, Christian Watson for the Packers. And a no huddle parallel for the Saints. That's Alontae Taylor for the Saints rookie. We'll get these top loaded. We'll do our recap. Then we'll move on to our Prism Football Hobby Box. That is 22 Prism Football, PYT number 2. Up next is our 22 Prism Hobby Box. We're going to do our recap here. Grab your spots in the remaining breaks tonight. There is a link pinned to the top of the chat. There's Brad Johnson for Tampa Bay on the no huddle parallel. There's our Matthew Stafford montage. DJ Moore, this is purple out of 50, 49 out of 50. Christian Watson on the silver. Alontae Taylor on the no huddle rookie parallel. Our auto was Miles Sanders for the Eagles. We had a Harrison Smith no huddle, Mike Ditka silver, Zamir White no huddle. We had a purple Charlie Kohler for Baltimore. That was out of 50, 9 out of 50 on the Charlie Kohler. Jerry Jeudy no huddle, a blue Laviska Shenault. That was out of 75, 23 out of 75. Elijah Moore silver for the Jets. Trent Williams for San Francisco on the no huddle. John Mechie rookie no huddle variation for Houston. Our variation of the box, and Hassan Haskins blue for Tennessee. And that one is out of 75, 30 out of 75 there. All right, that does it for this one. Up next, again, is our